Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add moons and star effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project, add the video that you want to edit. This one, click add at the bottom. Now I wanna add moon and star effect on this video, so you just click on the effect at the bottom, this one, and then click video effect. Click video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see the 3D. This is in here. This is the newest feature on CapCut, and in here you can see moon and star effect, this one. So you just click on it and click check icon. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the filter, for the speed, for the horizontal shift, for the vertical shift, for the intensity, and then for the sticker. And after this you can click check icon at the bottom, this one, and set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add moons and star effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.